Wait a moment before you panic, because in the next 10 seconds, I'm going to show you how thousands of PS5 users fix the PS5 error SU-101312-8 without replacing their console, or wasting money at a service center. If your PlayStation 5 system update is failing again and again, stay with me till the end, because every single step I share is tested, authentic, and actually works in real life. This video is created with the help of AI, but don't worry, every solution is 100% effective and workable, and if you watch the full video carefully, you will be able to fix the problem by yourself at home. If you face any difficulty, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Tech Vibes, for more practical tech fixes. Now let us understand what PS5 error SU-101312-8 actually means. This error usually appears when the PS5 fails to complete a system software update. In most cases, the update stops midway, shows an error message, and the console restarts or gets stuck. According to PlayStation community forums, Reddit discussions, and verified tech repair channels, this error is commonly linked with update file corruption, disk drive firmware sync issues, unstable internet, or temporary system cache problems. The good news is, in most cases, this is not a hardware failure, so please do not rush to a service center yet. First, let us start with the simplest but very effective fix, which surprisingly solves the issue for many users. Completely power off your PS5. Do not use rest mode, turn it fully off. Now unplug the power cable from the back of the console. Also unplug the HDMI cable and the internet cable if you are using LAN. Wait for at least 5 minutes. This allows the internal cache and temporary memory to clear properly. After 5 minutes, plug only the power cable and HDMI cable back in. Do not connect internet yet. Turn on the PS5 and check if the update resumes normally. If the error still appears, move to the next proven solution. This step focuses on the internet connection, which is a major cause of update failures. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable. If possible, switch to a different network temporarily, like a mobile hotspot. If you are using Wi-Fi, ensure the frequency is set to 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz. Many users confirm that system updates fail more often on unstable 5 GHz networks. Now go to Settings, then Network, then Settings, then set up internet connection again. Choose Setup manually and reconnect your Wi-Fi fresh. After reconnecting, go to Settings, then System Software, then System Software Update and Settings. Turn off download update files automatically for now. Restart the PS5 and try updating again manually. If the error still does not go away, we move to safe mode, which is an INUA technician level step but very safe if done correctly. Power off the PS5 completely. Press and hold the power button. Release it after the second beep. Connect your controller using a USB cable and press the PlayStation button. You are now in safe mode. From the safe mode menu, first select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Then choose Clear System Software Cache. Let the process complete. This does not delete games or data. After that, again enter Safe Mode and choose Rebuild Database. This may take some time depending on your storage size. Once done, restart the console and try the system update again. If you are still facing PS5 error SU-101312-8, this next step is extremely important and often ignored. Insert a game disc into the PS5, even if you mostly play digital games. Several confirmed reports from PlayStation forums say that this error can occur when the disk drive firmware fails to sync during system updates. Inserting a disk forces the system to initialize the disk drive properly. After inserting the disk, restart the PS5 and retry the update. If that still does not work, check your system date and time settings. Incorrect time synchronization can block update verification. Go to Settings, then System, then Date and Time, then Date and Time settings. Set date and time automatically. Set time zone automatically. Restart the console and try again. Next, check your storage space. Make sure you have at least 10 to 15 GB of free space available. Low storage can cause update installation failure even if the download completes. Also, disconnect any external USB storage or extended hard drive before updating. Many users confirm that removing external drives help the update complete successfully. Now we move to one of the most reliable fixes: manual system update using USB. This method is recommended by PlayStation support and trusted repair technicians. You will need a USB drive with at least 1 GB space, formatted in FAT32 or exFAT. On your computer, create a folder named PS5. Inside that folder, create another folder named Update. Download the official PS5 system software update file from the official PlayStation website only. Do not use third-party websites. Rename the file exactly as ps5update.pup. Copy this file into the update folder. Now safely eject the USB drive and plug it into the PS5. Turn off the PS5 completely. Enter safe mode again by holding the power button until the second beep. Choose Update System Software, then choose Update from USB storage device. Follow the on-screen instructions and let the update complete fully. Do not turn off the console during this process. If even this does not fix the error, the final software level solution is a full system software reinstallation. Please note, this will erase all data from the console. Only do this if nothing else worked. Back up your save data if possible. Follow the same USB steps, but this time, download the full system software reinstallation file, not the update file. In safe mode, choose Reset PS5, then choose Reset PS5 and reinstall system software. Let the process finish completely. If after all these steps, the PS5 error SU-101312-8 still appears, then there's a high chance of a hardware-related issue, commonly linked to the disk drive or internal storage controller. At this stage, contacting official PlayStation support or an authorized service center is recommended. Do not attempt hardware repair at home if the console is under warranty. To summarize, most users fix this error using power cycling, stable Wi-Fi on 2.4 GHz, safe mode cache clearing, inserting a game disk or manual USB update. This problem looks scary, but in reality, it is very solvable. If this video helped you fix your PS5, please like this video, share it with other gamers, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more technician-style solutions. If you are still stuck or confused at any step, comment below, and I promise to respond within 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Tech Vibes video.